morning, cyber traders. Happy Tuesday, everyone. Everybody ready for the big Thanksgiving? I know I am. My God, I'm running already late. Yesterday I had to go run around and pick up some food. I'm having it at my brother's house. Anyway, it's looking forward to it. Hopefully everybody's ready. Good to see you, Justin. Good to see you, Lita. Good to see everybody. Good, everyone on social. Anyway, did everyone see what's going on with Bitcoin? My God, I mean, let me tell you, the funny thing is yesterday, when I mentioned it yesterday that I was trying to get out of it, and I got out of IBIT, and sure enough, like right around here, I sort of started to tank and started coming back down. And I said, let me get out of it. Now, the issue that I had getting out of IBIT is I didn't have it on one of my direct access accounts. I had it on one of my swing trading accounts. So the Schwab account. The problem is you can't get out of it until the market opens up. And that's why these orders came in. And they saw a lot of these orders come in. That's why you saw the stock go down. But you could see that Bitcoin, I think it's down. Last time I checked, was down almost like 2,000. I think it was broke 92,000. So there was a very, very big order around 100,000. It went up way too fast. I think it's done for a little while. You could see it right here from the elections right here. We were up to $40. The thing ran up to almost 60. Great run up. Listen, this is just one of several things that we do every day. What was nice about what you saw here is that there was so many of the stocks that we traded yesterday that just went crazy. There was so much better stocks to trade. But because the talk of the town and everything else, it worked out great for us. So really enjoyed it. I got out of all of it, and I hope you did too. I did post a video on it, and I was, listen, I posted it right before market opened up. So for everyone on social media, if you're not watching me and following me, ring the damn bell. Click on the subscriber the subscriber button, and and leave a comment and share with everyone. But the thing is, I'm not saying I'm a guru when it comes to this, but I do teach you and follow the right of the chart. And when you see these orders out there, that's where it comes. And when you have like 1,500 coins to be sold, okay, you're talking over $100 million looking to get out at that price. I think you're going to have a little problem at a resistance levels. Don't tell me it's some mental number, 100,000. Has nothing to do with any of that other than the mental number is that everyone thinks, I want to get out and make that 100,000. And the big thing you'll ever notice, it never, ever hit 100,000. Got close, 99.7, never hit 100,000. And yes, Lita, I was at Costco. Did you see me there? Okay. I haven't been there in a while. I had to get my fix. Anyway, so the stocks that we're still holding right now is obviously the PLTR. And PLTR, I did averaged up more on that stock. I really could see PLTR could be a $100 stock. Okay. I did buy more of it. And one of the big things that we teach you in class, and we know I got phase 2 that's coming up, and then phase 3 next week, it's all about seeing where consolidation is going on and everything else. So keep the PLTR on the swing trade on there. But let's talk about some of the stocks. Before we go through all this stuff, let's go talk about what happened yesterday, because there were a lot of good stocks that did make some big moves. We had some air taxi stocks that did really well. JOBY, want to talk about that. $7 stock, started right around, 9:30, shot up all the way to about 11:30. Nice move, 820. Not a big mover, but a nice mover. ACHR is another one. Followed suit with it, 650 to 750. Had a little bit of a nasty shake, though. I didn't like that around 745. Did a slingshot, but boom, it popped right up. That was pretty good. HIMS made a made a nice little pop after taking that little big hit. And I think the reason why I took a big hit is because I think if I remember correctly, Amazon said they were going to step into their realm. But anyway, they did great. Earnings announcements did well. Stock did phenomenal. So HIMS did really well on that one. The QMCO, that thing was just nuts yesterday. That stock was on the watch list. And remember, yesterday's watch list was pretty damn big. For some of you who haven't watched on social media, you see it right there. The watch list, we did post it on our our X, our Instagram, our Telegram. But this was probably our biggest winner of it. It was nasty, but it was a fast mover. You could see it right here. Nice push. And right after 9:30 opened up. If you got in here a little late, boom, it went from $13, shot up all the way to a whopping 27. Great mover. We know why it's down 23%. Whatever goes up comes back down. That one did crazy. And in Sava, that thing was at pharmaceutical stock, never, ever came back. Now, this is the big lesson I want to talk about Sava, okay? We talk about this all the time. You can hope all you want. When the company has all in and they lose phase 3 trial, it's not going to come back. Okay. You might get a little hiccup. You might get some people might want to average down. It might cause some of it, but it never came back. So stay away from it. All right. Now let's go talk about what's moving on for today. All right. So we got a couple of good stocks that are moving. We got this little cheap one up 95%. TOYO, TOYO. Nice little push. Nice little trend, trending at the highs. Let me see what I got here. TOYO. Oops. Got to fix something here. DXV, there we go. TOYO. All right, let's see where the orders are on this one. Let's go look at the right of the chart. It's on the right of me right now. I'm uploading that data right now. Oh, the other one was pretty good too. I forgot to mention from yesterday is CMCI. That one just did also really, really well in the swing trade. CMCI, put that on the list. TOYO, what's going on with TOYO? All right, so TOYO looks like it's hitting a couple big iceberg orders. Looks like it's starting to trend down a little bit. That's why it's probably not going anywhere. You see there's a big red line right there, right around $6. A couple orders are starting to get filled right now. Not really interested in that one. We'll put it on the watch list, but it looks like she's starting to trend down. Maybe she's up a little too much than she was that we anticipated. This was another big runner from yesterday. I forgot to mention this stock was trading around 270, ran up to about 8. She's pushing up pretty big right now. ZENA, another nice little mover. Just be very careful of this stock. This is in the category, I would say, Wendy, what do you think? I know you just called it out too in the cyber group room. What do you give it, like a 4? Be very, very careful of this one. All right. Another 42%. Yeah, about even a 5, right, Randy? So SMTK, another nice little mover. Spread looks a little big. Volume is good, up 28%. I'll put this on the B list. I don't like the levels on level 2 right now. This thing just took off too. Another solar stock. This one got crushed, destroyed. And all of a sudden, she's making a big move. Look at that. Stock was $800. This is reverse stock split. If it's a reverse stock split, if the reverse stock split, she's making a move up good today. MAXN. Let's go see what we got over here on orders. Big orders did just show up. A lot of green balls came in. Now it's starting to trend down. So I'll show you right here. See it right there? Looks like it's going to be in the category 4 levels. Okay. So be very careful of that one. All right. What else we got here? 23%. This one gapped up yesterday after hours. Not really going anywhere. Fate not going anywhere. SMTC. We traded the stock before, but it's a little expensive. All right. Now we're getting down to 16%. All right, we'll go good over there. Losers. ALAC, not looking too good. I guess earnings announcement didn't work out too well for it. This one is down because it was up big yesterday, so we know why that is there. This one's getting crushed. There's another big runner-up that we had. Whatever they make in the big percentage gainers, like we say, they always end up in the big losers. All right, nothing there. UVAX, we traded this stock a few times. UAVS. This one took a big hit, up a little bit today. Good spread, good volume. We'll put this on the list. UAVS. We traded the stock before. We'll make that one on our watch list. Dix. Damn, I got this stock is still up in the 200s. Incredible, huh? It looks like big resistance levels at 240. But we're not trading Dix. All right. That stock is too expensive, too volatile, not as a good day trade. You can do it as a swing trade, but not as a day trade. Boyle did a reverse stock split, the reverse stock split, the reverse stock split, the reverse stock split, the reverse stock split. Not looking too good, though. It looks okay right now, but we're not going to trade that stock. Eli Lilly is getting hammered, and it's up big this morning, which is kind of shocker. I'm glad we got out of it. Just got out just below 1,000. We did really well on that stock right there. They did really well on the Zepbound. Made a little bounce back here in August, and then just obviously trending down. We're not going to day trade that one, though. All right. So Kohl's not doing too well. A lot of Kohl's got hit. Target got hit. So it looks like all these brick and mortars are coming out with their earnings announcements. They're not looking too good. There's all the ETFs. Bitcoin's BitU, BitX, a bunch of them out there. Revvion is moving up pretty good this morning. I don't know what the story with this stock is, but this stock did great yesterday. It was another big runner-up. So forgot to add this one to show you this morning, but that one's, for some reason, is making a nice little pop right there. NVIDIA got really beat up yesterday. Tesla, I got out of Tesla. That was another one I got out yesterday right at the open. I'm glad I got out. I think I got out right around 22, 23, somewhere right around there, right at the open. And sure enough, not bad. That was another big runner. Listen, the stock ran from 10 all the way to 25. I mean, listen, remember what I always say. You can't go broke taking profits, all right? Intel, by the way, signed a big contract. They just got another $8 billion funding from the U.S. government on building a chip company, and I'm actually quite shocked. I own it as a swing trade, but I'm kind of shocked it's not up that much, okay? But we've been doing well. I've been a big fan of it. It looks like it's been starting to be a little bit of a gap fill right here. I think a lot of us here own it somewhere around the 21 price range. Big fan of Intel. Like I told you, I saw them at a conference at the NASDAQ Center. There was a big AI event that I went to just this past back in Florida, but they were doing one of them and really kind of made no sense. I didn't understand it was not really the conference I was looking for, but I've always been a big fan of Intel, and it's been coming back a little bit. And after all this funding they've been getting to kind of help come back and build back their brand here in the United States, keep an eye on it. Anyway, Intel looks pretty good. INTC. All right. Any stocks I'm missing? Okay. Lynn is bringing up these stocks right here. A whole sector is moving today. UAVS. Ooh. UAVS. Yeah, that sector is moving up. We'll put that one on the watch list too. UAVS, which is what we already have. And the second one you said, what, the Zelda? Is that, oh, you have, they're both in the same one. Okay. We got them on there. All right. So I missed out on those. Leland, yeah, you own it around 22. Intel. Good. All right, traders. Anyone on social media? I see we got somebody just said, hey, good morning to you too from X. Appreciate it. Any other stocks that we did not call out that we're missing? All right, now listen, don't forget, today at 12 o'clock for everybody on social media, we have our open house. We usually do it on Thursdays because of Thanksgiving. It's a national holiday. We're going to be closed on Thursday, so we moved it to today at 12 o'clock. We'll see you back at 12, or if you want, you can take your phone, click on that QR code, top left-hand corner, join us. You can join our trading room all day. Cyber traders, great day yesterday. I know you guys did really well. I think today is going to probably be the last big push. Tomorrow, a lot of people go on vacation. Kids are off from school tomorrow. And then obviously you got Thanksgiving, biggest travel day of the year. And then Friday is a half a day, which is always a pretty good day. So if you're around, definitely stick around. It's a half a day. I always find out that we always get some good stocks that have to come out with news. Maybe something happened on Thanksgiving, whatever, but we'll keep an eye on that too. Especially Bitcoin has no holidays. All right. Open 24/7. So let's get ready for the market. We'll see you in a little bit in 15 minutes. Don't go anywhere, everybody. Trade safe. We'll be back here in a little bit.